What is up, guys? Today, Saturday, 86th day. We at Alvin already, and you can see Mark with his CB Media shirt. And today we're gonna try to prime the fuel pump and try to see if there's any leakage on the lines. Right now, the fuel pump, you can see the wiring over there. It's already connected. Gotta refill the car because I don't think there's fuel inside. And let's prime that thing. It's a refuel. Okay. Tak. Ron 95. This Liang refuel the day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you imagine? So long.
Now it's
Liang.
Now it's around 90 already.
This.
This one.
Ah. Nice. Wah, baunya. Any pressure lah?
No.
No. Okay, I hear the fuel going inside the fuel pump.
Yeah. Oh, my. Yo. I got one fuel line over here one.
Oh yeah. Yeah lah, I totally forgot about that one. Oh, it was previously the spray, which I don't remember when.
So it's a sign
Where did it fly?
for you to respray already.
The fuel rail here. Ui, panas
Hey, can welding lah.
Hah?
Can welding lah.
Gila dia.
And there's a bit.
Oh!
Why?
The washer gone.
Huh?
It dropped all the way down. Nice!
Nice.
How to make my day even better?
Same as last night. Jatuh tu eh.
I can hear it like just on the floor. But the thing is so small. Which part of the floor is it? Where's your tap? Where? The tap. You want 8 layer? Wow! Ready? Yeah. Yeah. Take number 3.
Oh, stop.
Still. The screw there. I think the washer.
Too big.
Yeah. It cannot clamp the space in between.
Damn.
Corin, bitch. Corin. Have you heard of fuel cache tank?
By Derek.
Fuel cache tank. Baby. Ready?
Oh.
Yeah. Power.
Oh, battery flat.
Battery flat. What? Nothing.
Okay lah.
Pressure naik sudah. Lagi.
Go for it.
Pressure is now.
Up, stop. Leaking from the feet.
Yes. Where?
Yeah.
Ya dah.
This part.
Sure. 3.8 lah.
Oh,
Almost
tinggi.
4 already.
Yeah.
Almost 4. Release lah.
Ah.
Cuba release sampai depan botol lah.
Yalah.
Tapi takut ya.
Try to put it lower the pressure.
Lower. Itu lah.
Tu.
Dia Ben. Cuba. Tarik. Tapi tak lah. Hah? Ya. Ini kena macam-macam anak tu lagi. Silakan.
I smell the fuel high already.
Ya.
Fuel karat.
Ready?
Dia
Kecil
kampung ni. Buat pun tinggi pure. Battery.
Already.
Oh. Yo.
3.5. 2.5.
Kaya adjust CA.
Lower lah. Buka habis lah. Kasi yang low pressure ya. Nanti kelak adjust sikit. Okay. Ya, direct mai. Dah. Okay, you adjust. Direct mai. Okay, bagi lot until 25. Okay lah.
Okay lah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
First leak lah.
Still that one a bit only lah. Bubble only. Now it's a bit lah. Still need to put Teflon lah.
Yeah! Fuck yeah! Ready to start?
Those two place no leak lah.
Now gonna install Teflon tape in the adapter here. And one more, the one that we have to Teflon tape is underneath. Can't really see, but the fuel pump area there. So let's do that. Woo. Need to change the end fittings to this one because this is the end fitting. As you can see, apparently I tried to lock it to the adapter. This is the Fury adapter. The thread is actually not the same. You can see, even though it's quite in, but then it's still kind of shaky. So the thread is totally different. Can use this. Had to use this new head, which is the right thread for this. Ooh, look at that! Fit. This is the right one. So I guess we gotta use hose clamp for this. Hose clamp bottom. And spray this in black. That's fine. Black paint.
The next day.
We have changed the end fitting. Put Teflon tape on it using a new fitting because the other day the fitting does not fit. Wrong thread. Teflon down here. Teflon down here. Teflon tape on the fuel tank is also fitted. Did not record the other day installing the Teflon, but yeah. Now gonna drop the fuel tank because it's dirty inside. Need to clean the fuel tank. 2 bolts. 1 bolt here and 1 bolt here. Fuel tank is out. This is the AE86 fuel tank. Let's see if this inside is rusty or not. Oh no! Oh no! Bad news. Look at that. Habis. Sasi. Let's see the inside of the fuel tank. Can't really see. Oh no, it looks like a lot of rust. Not supposed to look like that. Means we need a new fuel tank. Nah. A lot of hiccups on 86. This time the fuel line was leaking, but then already settled. Now the fuel tank have to be cleaned, so we need to take that out and pass it to the specialist for them to clean, and then gonna install it back and then test whether the fuel lines are leaking or not. Hiccups everywhere, but that's the car world. Now Elvin is doing his stuff on his Silica 1J. I guess next week then the fuel tank is gonna be clean, and then I will install it back and try to see from there, then install the wiring and try to start up the car. That's so far the plan, but then it took me so long just to settle all this fuel system basically. Fill up water. Elvin bringing 1J home. Rayaka, you know. Aduh. Manual. Oh, manual shifter. Yeah. So that is all the hiccup on AE86 this week. On the fuel lines, on the end fittings, the fuel tank. More delays on the AE86 project. It's a lot of bad news, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I hope you guys like the video. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.